Okay, here is the HOMAG Edgebander we're looking to sell. We'll go over what's on there. Here's the magazine and pre-milling, and up here's the glue pot for hot melt glue, and the AirTec gluing system, the end trimmers, and the main top and bottom trimmers, and these would be the profile trimmers, top and bottom, and scrapers, first set of scrapers, and then the second set fine scrapers for glue, clean the part. And that's it. Okay, so now I'm gonna give you a demonstration of the machine, put a part through, and we'll see how it looks. So we'll do the 3mm first. So I select the program, accept, and channel 3 is where we're gonna get our edge tape from, the magazine, and we'll start the machine, and it should be ready to go now. So as you can see, it's making a perfect job. And now I'm gonna switch over to half mil, and we'll do the other side with the half mil edge tape. So select the program, kind of blurry, but anyway, like this, accept. This time we'll go to better, edge channel 1 from here, press accept, confirm, install the rubber roller. So we'll go install the rubber roller. Open the glue back up. Now we'll do the other side with the half mil. There you have it.